Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Tim Carico here. Today is October 2nd, 2019. This is a series of videos, if you are new to the site here, where I am documenting building this 2019 Martin D41 guitar kit. Turned out great. It has East Indian rosewood sides and back. It has a Sitka spruce top. I have a bone nut and a tusk saddle, and I'm playing it on Martin extra light guitar strings right now. Sustain is great on this guitar. Hope you enjoy. I'm going to pick a little bit for you here. Not the best picker in the world, but here we go. Hit like and subscribe. After gluing the abalone into the rosette, I use a technique to smooth it out with a razor blade and some like Scotch tape. And you just wrap your razor blade on each side, leave enough room in the middle, the same thickness as your abalone. And if you start out with two wraps, that'll give you a thickness that'll get you down really close to the surface of your wood while protecting the wood. And then after you do that all the way around, go back and only do one wrap of the Scotch tape and go back and scrape, and it's almost flush with the wood, just like the thickness of a human hair maybe, and then the sander can take care of the rest. Next I will be going onto the back side and gluing all my bindings on. Okay, after smoothing out the glue on your piece of wood, then you can put it in place and then use the insulation hangers to hold it down while the glue dries. Then go back and clean up all your glue that squeezes out for a pretty job. And we just keep going. It's pretty good. As you can see, I'm pretty much done gluing the braces on the back. Just a few pieces of information. If you notice that the grain of the rosewood is running in this direction here, and all your cross braces, the grain is running this way, that's to tie the wood together. So any changes in humidity, that'll keep the wood from splitting. Plus any stresses on the wood, other stresses, rough handling, etc., etc. When I was gluing the braces on, these braces are curved. That's to curve the back like this a little bit. So if you don't have a board that is grooved out to accept that, what I did was these strips of wood. These strips of wood that comes with the kit, you know, it goes in here. And all I did was I put each one, you know, underneath each side like this to build it up so that I could put bracing, or the insulation hangers, the springs, to hold everything down, and it would give the back the natural curve that it's looking for. I did this on both sides. Another thing I'm doing is taking metal oxide sandpaper. This is probably, I don't know, 120 grit, maybe 240. But I'm taking and sanding all the cross braces, all the wood. I'll probably take it up to 240 or even higher. Because if you think about sound rooms, recording rooms, to deaden sound, they build up the walls with foam or carpeting, anything that's that will absorb sound. So you want all your all your surfaces to be smooth on the inside of the guitar, if not as much as the outside, maybe even more so, to get that sound out, not to be absorbed into the wood or deadened by the wood, fuzzy wood, or, you know, non-smooth wood. I will go back and sand these down once these are all dried up. I didn't finish putting the ends on because I will wait. There's a tailstock here that goes in, and then the neck piece in the front, and then I'll know exactly where to cut these end pieces once I glue up the sides and have the back glued into the guitar, or at least I'm able to mark where the blocks are at, so that I can fill those in.